Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Talking. My name is Alex, and this is our slow and easy podcast for English learners. In our last episode, we talked about the commute home. I was on the bus, the traffic was bad, but finally, I am home. I open the door. I see my cat, Misty. Today, we talk about what I do after work. Today's topic is my evening routine. I close the door. Whew, home, the best place. First, I put down my bag. I take off my coat. I take off my shoes. This is very important. I need to change my clothes. Change. Change. I go to my bedroom. I take off my work clothes, my blue shirt and black trousers. Goodbye, work clothes. I put on my comfortable clothes. Comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable means nice and soft, relaxing. I put on a t-shirt and sweatpants. Much better. Now I am ready to relax. But first, I am not the only one in the house. My cat, Misty, is walking around my feet. She is hungry. She is waiting for her dinner. Dinner is the food we eat in the evening, the last big meal of the day. I go to the kitchen. I open a can of cat food. I put the food in her bowl. Here you go, Misty. She is happy now, and I am happy. Okay, now it is my turn. What about my dinner? I am hungry. The soup I ate at lunch was a long time ago. I look in my fridge. Fridge, Fridge, is the cold box. It keeps food fresh. What do I have in the fridge? I see some eggs, some vegetables, and some chicken from yesterday. I have an idea. I will make chicken and rice. This is a simple dinner. It is easy to cook. Cook. I wash the vegetables. I cut the vegetables. I heat the chicken and rice in the microwave. While my food is cooking, I do something small. I tidy up the kitchen. Tidy up. Tydiup. Tidy up means I make things clean and organized. I wash the cup from my morning coffee. I put the mail on the table. Just 5 minutes. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Beep! My dinner is ready. I put my food, chicken, rice, and vegetables, on a plate. I take a glass of water. I do not eat at the kitchen table. In the evening, I like to eat on my sofa. Sofa. I go to the living room. I sit on my sofa. And I turn on the television. TV. I eat my dinner slowly. I watch a show on Netflix, maybe a comedy, or maybe the news. This is my relax time. No work, no emails, just me, my food, and my sofa. Misty jumps onto the sofa. She sleeps next to me. After dinner, I take my plate to the kitchen. I wash it. It is now 9 p.m., 9 o'clock. I have about 1 hour before I go to sleep. What do? Sometimes I call my family or a friend on the phone. Hi, Mom. How are you? Sometimes I read a book. R-E-A-D. Read. I sit in my comfortable chair, I turn on the lamp, and I read my book for 30 minutes. This is very quiet, very peaceful. At 10 p.m., I start to feel sleepy again. That word, sleepy, S-L-E-E-P-Y. I am ready for bed. I go to the bathroom. What do? Yes, I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth in the morning, and I brush my teeth at night. Very important. I wash my face. I put on my pajamas, my sleep clothes. It is now 10:30 p.m. My day is finished. I go to my bedroom. I check my phone one last time. I set my alarm for tomorrow. Yes, the alarm. 7 a.m. I put my phone away. I get into my bed. I turn off the light. The room is dark. It is quiet. Good night, Misty. Good night, everyone. So that is my evening routine. I change my clothes. I feed Misty. I cook dinner. I watch TV. And I read a book. It is a very simple, very quiet routine. It helps me prepare for the next day. What about you? What do you do in the evening to relax? Thank you for practicing with daily talking for 10 minutes. You are doing great. My name is Alex. See you next time. Goodbye.